Introduction and Uses of Materials.
In this project, you will connect the breadboard to the power supply, then wire the positive and negative side strips. You will then put a switch on the board and connect the switch to a LED so that the switch can turn the LED on and off. This will complete the project. On the breadboard, there are two long strips called rails. Running along the side, the red rail is normally connected to a positive or positive 5 volts power supply, and the blue rail is normally connected to the ground, which is 0 volts. Note that rails must be connected to a battery or other power source to power them. The next material we use is jumper. Jumper used to power will provided to the breadboard. A switch will be inserted into the breadboard. The output from the switch will be sent to the LED, which will complete the circuit. Next is diodes. Diodes can be used as rectifiers, signal limiters, voltage regulators, switches, signal modulators, signal mixers, signal demodulators, and oscillators. The fundamental property of a diode is its tendency to conduct electric current in only one direction. Diodes is also known as resistor. Light emitting diode, which is known as LED. The LED is a p-n junction diode that produces light as it passes via an electric current in the forward path. The long lead frame of the LED is called anode, which is the positive charge, while the short lead frame of the LED is called cathode, the negative charge. The last material we use is switch and battery. The switch used to turn on and off the LED, and the battery serve as to produce electricity.